Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Hope you are well. After a long time I am back with another tutorial. Today I am showing you how can you remove text from a design or photo. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe this channel to get new updates. So let's start the tutorial. So open your Adobe Photoshop, then select the lasso tool. We will remove the text from this photo, then select the text. Now go to select, then click on color range. From the color range select the highlights option, then check the fuzziness and the range will be 15 and 190, then click on OK. Now again click on select menu, then modify, then expand, and the selection will be expanded by 9 pixel, then click on OK. Now go to edit menu, then click on fill, then select the content hour, then click on OK. Then press Ctrl D from the keyboard. So we have just removed the text from the photo. It's a simple procedure. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Thanks all of you.